How can you research Irish names? Have you ever wondered how to uncover the stories behind Irish names? Researching Irish names can be a fascinating journey into the rich culture and traditions of Ireland. Let's break down how you can get started. First, it is essential to understand that many Irish names have deep roots in the Irish language and history. Irish names often reflected geographical locations, social customs, and even historical events. A good starting point is to recognize that many Irish surnames begin with prefixes like O or Mac. O means descendant of, while Mac means son of. These prefixes indicate family lineage and can provide clues about your ancestry. Next, you will want to look into specialized resources that focus on Irish names. Irish surname dictionaries and databases can be incredibly helpful. These resources track the origins and meanings of names, as well as their historical spellings. Keep in mind that names were often recorded phonetically, which means you might find different spellings for the same name in various records. For example, the surname Moody may appear as Moody or Muddy in different documents. When researching first names, consider that many Irish given names are influenced by saints or local figures. This can lead to multiple English equivalents for a single Irish name. For instance, the Irish Saint Gobnate is also known as Abigail or Deborah in English. This shows how names can change across cultures and languages. If you are traveling to Ireland, visiting local archives, churches, or heritage centers can be a great way to find original name forms. Many of these places hold parish records and census data that can provide valuable information. Engaging with local historians or genealogists can also be beneficial. They can help you interpret name variants and understand naming customs specific to different regions. Additionally, keep in mind that researching Irish names is not just about the spelling. It is also about appreciating the social customs behind name giving. In Ireland, it is common to name children after saints, ancestors, or local figures. This practice can give you deeper insight into family history and the cultural significance of names. In summary, researching Irish names involves understanding their origins, consulting specialized resources, and appreciating the social customs that shape name-giving traditions. Whether you are tracing your ancestry or simply curious about the meanings behind names, this journey can be both rewarding and enlightening.